53A, where a distinction is made. I'll come to that.
By ECP
in the assemblies. In other words, the foundational basis for the allocation of such reserve seats.
This is a question.
No, this is the question. Yes, this is the question.
Now you're
I'm just further explaining.
Okay.
In other words, the foundational basis for the allocation for such reserve seats was the total number of general seats
can you go a bit slower? In other words,
the foundational basis for the allocation for such reserve seats was the total number of general seats of a political party in the assembly, and not the contestation or votes in election. Now that is the critical question. This scheme is not dependent on you contesting election.
Assembly and not
the contestation.
Is that
contest
and not the contestation. Okay, contestation
or getting votes in elections. This is the first foundational question. The second question is,
the contestation for or
of getting votes.
Or getting votes.
इस प्रपोजिशन को अगर एक चीज में और ऐड कर ले तो बहुत बेहतर हो जाएगा, बहुत से सवाल आसान हो जाएंगे। आपने कहा कि वो पॉलिटिकल पार्टी जिसने इलेक्शन कंटेस्ट नहीं किया, साथ ये मिला लें कि वो पॉलिटिकल पार्टी जिसने इलेक्शन तो कंटेस्ट नहीं किया लेकिन गिवन डेट्स के अंदर लिस्ट ऑफ रिजर्व सीट्स भी नहीं फाइल की, वो भी ऐड कर दें इसमें।
सर ये बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट चीज है, बिकॉज दिस इज अ क्वेश्चन व्हिच इज नाउ अराइजिंग। आई विल ऐड दिस, योर लॉर्डशिप विल अंडरस्टैंड, आई विल ऐड दिस एट द एंड।
ओके
जी, ये बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है।
ये आपका प्रोपोजिशन 1 है।
ये 1 है। सेकंड प्रोपोजिशन, whether section 104
इससे पहले आप जरा पढ़ लें सेक्शन को, हम समझ लें, क्योंकि अभी तक आपने पढ़ा नहीं है।
सर
आपका कंटेंशन अप्रिशिएट करें हम जरा।
सर ये इलेक्शन एक्ट 2017 है।
इसमें कौन सी प्रोविजन पढ़ रहे हैं?
सर सेक्शन 104।
ये लंबा है, पूरा पढ़ेंगे या कोई और?
सर मेरे ख्याल में अभी के लिए मैं सिर्फ सब सेक्शन 1 पढ़ देता हूँ।
रिजर्व सीट के लिए
जी मैं ये वो लिस्ट्स वाला सवाल है सर।
जी फॉर द पर्पस।
आपने इसकी वायरीज को चैलेंज किया ना पिटीशन?
ये किया है, बट मेरे ख्याल में वायरीज को का सवाल उठाने की कोई जरूरत
नहीं। ये आप प्लीज बताएं, यू नॉट चैलेंजिंग वायरीज?
नो, आई एम नॉट।
They challenged the warehouse.
We did, but right now I won't be submitting that before you, Lordship. Section 104, party lists for reserve seats. For the purpose of election to seats reserved for women and non-Muslims in an assembly, the political parties contesting election, now ये लफ्ज जरा सा underline कर लीजिए, contesting elections for such seats shall within the period fixed by the commission for the submission of nomination papers file separate lists of their candidates in order of priority for seats reserved for women and non-Muslims in the commission, or as it may direct with the provincial election commissioner or other authorized officer of the commission, who shall forthwith cause such list to be published for information of the public, provided that the list submitted by a political party shall not be subject to change or altercation either in the order of priority or through addition of new names in the list or omission of any name after expiry of the date of submission of nomination paper. So the objection which was upheld by the ECP is that you never filed those lists within the time period.
छोड़ दीजिए ना ECP, अभी पहले बात खत्म कर लेना। ECP का बहस अभी ना करें ना, अभी तो आप हमें प्रोपोजिशंस बता रहे हैं, तो ये आगे नहीं पढ़े हम इसका।
सर पढ़ लेते हैं अगर आप बोलते हैं।
नहीं, मुझे
वैसे
नहीं पता।
पॉइंट आ गया है, अब आप मेरा प्रोपोजिशन सुनेंगे तो क्लियर हो
आप
जाएगा।
proposition
जी
इस पे आप क्या कहना चाहते हैं कि
जी जी मैं प्रोपोजिशन दे रहा हूँ सर।
तो इसको आप पढ़ेंगे 51D के साथ, 51D के साथ।
जी जी
प्रोपोजिशन बताएं आपको, प्रोपोजिशन बताइए।
सर इसमें मैं एक रूल का भी जिक्र करूंगा, लेकिन वो सिमिलर है।
वो अगर कर दें सारी चीजें फिर हम प्रोपोजिशन समझ लेंगे बेहतर। रूल कौन सा?
92
इसी किताब में है।
जी सर, इलेक्शन रूल्स 2017, आई थिंक इट शुड बी देयर,
पेज 54 रूल 92
जी सर।
ये हमें बता रहे हैं 54 पेज पे है रूल 92।
अलग किताब है और नहीं
ये रूल 92 जी बताइए।
सर अगर आप इसका सबसेक्शन 1 ले लें, elections to the seats reserved for women and non-Muslims in the National Assembly and Provincial Assembly shall be held on the basis of proportional representation system of political parties list of candidates in accordance with the provision of these rules and the Act. The subsection 2, the members to fill seats reserved for women in the National Assembly allocated to a province shall be elected through proportional representation system of political parties list of candidates submitted to the commission on the basis of total number of general seats won by each party from the province concerned in the National Assembly. And then it subsection 5 agar aap dekh lein, if at any time the list is exhausted, the political party may submit a name for any vacancy which may occur thereafter, and the provisions of subsection 1 and subsection 2 of section 104 shall as nearly as possible apply to such vacancy.
This adds to the law.
Yes.
ठीक।
If I may,
You read 6 as well?
Ji. For the purpose of this rule, the expression total number of general seats won by political parties shall include independent returned candidates who may duly join such political party within 3 days of the publication in the official gazette of the names of the returned candidates, provided if the independent candidate applies to the leader of a political party for joining his party, then the leader of that political party shall forthwith inform the commission for joining of such candidate through a letter to be delivered to the commission along with the consent of the candidate duly attested by a notary appointed under the Notaries Ordinance 1961 or an oath commissioner appointed under the Oaths Act 1873, and then it goes on. Now, the proposition is that whether Section 104, Election Act 2017, and Rules 92 to 94 of the Election Rules 2017 apply to a political party who did not contest the elections.
ये तो वही पहला वाला है।
नहीं,
अच्छा।
apply to a political party who did not contest the elections but has general seats in the assemblies. In other words, there is no timeline. ये जो timeline है ये apply नहीं कर सकती उन political parties के जिनकी parliamentary party formation होती है election के बाद. इसलिए मैं कहता हूँ, in other words, there is no timeline for submission of lists of such political parties before the elections, except after the elections. ये जमा ही नहीं करवा सकती लिस्ट बिफोर
आपके 3 दिन जो आपके तो 3 दिन के बाद शुरू होंगे
जी
आप कह रहे हैं ना टाइम आपका जो है अप्लाई करने
ये जमा ही नहीं करवा सकती
आपके मुताबिक there are 2 sets of parties.
Yes.
One are contesting elections,
Yes.
the other might not contest
Yes.
elections. This set of rules apply to
to
contesting.
that. Yes.
What about this 6 that you just read?
जी.
92 ka sub rule 6. How would you interpret sub rule 6?
Sub rule 6, one deals with joining independents. Now there are 2 kinds of parties they can join. One is a party in which there are already general seats which they join, but then there is a party where there is no general seats, which has not contested the elections. So subsection 6 will apply, yes, in terms of joining to both sets of parties, but when it comes to the timeline to submit list, would only apply to the former and not to the latter. So this is my second proposition.
Before you move on, just one question. That
इसलिए मैं वायरीज चैलेंज नहीं कर रहा हूँ, ये अप्लाई नहीं करता.
the actual formula as to how the seats get allocated